Good morning everyone, welcome back. So we finally have the Hornet back at the range. Let's hope it shoots better this time. Let's start off by saying it's the old load, 10.6 grains, all the same cartridge overall length, a load that used to shoot quite well in the rifle. A quick rundown, what I did is I made sure that the bullets are not touching any baffles inside the silencer, so the silencer is still good. I made the hole at the front a bit bigger. I don't know if you guys can remember, but it's a homemade silencer, so I thought the hole at the front was a little bit too small, so we made that bigger. We cleaned the crown properly and put that together again. I took off the stock of the barreled action and made sure that there's no pressure marks on the barrel itself to make sure it's a free floating barrel. Took the optic off, ran some tests on it to make sure it's tracking properly and it's working properly. And then the last thing I did is I scrubbed the living crap out of this barrel. I put a borescope through and I saw there was a bit of copper fouling inside, so yeah, gave it a good scrub. If you would like to know more about that, more in detail, let me know in the comments and then I can show you guys exactly what I did. But yeah, the barrel is scrubbed, and today I've got a spotting scope with my phone that's going to record the target. Hopefully that works well. It's the first time I try that. And yeah, let's shoot some groups and hopefully it shoots better than the last time we were here. Let's give it a go. All right. Okay guys, as you can see, I shot a little bit fast, but as you can see, it looks tons better than it used to. So yeah, let's fire another one and see what happens. Hopefully it shoots small again. I just need to move this to the next target and then I will be right back. All right. Okay, let's shoot another one, see what happens. Okay guys, as you can see, that one also looks good. That top one I think might have been me, but still, I mean, this is obviously not a precision rifle made for long range shooting. But yeah, I think it was definitely the dirty barrel. I think that was the problem. I'm very happy. I'm gonna shoot one or two more, see if it stays that way. Obviously just wait for the barrel to cool down a little bit. Don't have Mirage yet, but let's wait for the barrel to cool down and shoot one more and see what it does. Be back now. Okay guys, there's the second one. As you can see, I think it looks really good. I think the top one might have been me. I think it was, I can't remember now, but I think it was the third or the fourth shot. After the first two shots, I got really excited because the first two shots was almost in the same hole, right next to each other. But yeah, it looks tons and tons better. I'm very pleased with the results. I think I'm not going to do anything to the load really, because I'm happy with that. This is a small varminting rifle that's going to go out to 150 meters max. I won't go somewhere further than that. So yeah, I hear something walking here or something. Maybe it's a maybe it's a bird in the tree or something, as long as it's not a hippo. So I'm going to shoot 1 or 2 more groups. Hopefully they stay small, and then we know the problem on the Hornet is sorted out. Righty, we'll be back now. Okay, that one doesn't look too bad. Those 2 there on the left, I don't know what happened there, but it's tons and tons better than what it used to shoot like. I think we should manage to get another 5 in before the barrel's too hot, so let's get that done. Okay, that was a bit of a terrible one, but once again, still tons and tons better than it used to shoot. So let's get the barrel time to cool down, fire 1 more, and then we should have enough evidence that it is shooting better actually. But yeah, let's give the barrel time to cool down, then we'll shoot another one. Okay, so let's fire 1 more group, and then I should be happy. So far it's looking good. Sorry about the previous one, I didn't press record, so let's do that first. Record. There we go, guys. I'm happy. As you guys can see, the groupings wasn't too bad. The last one was a bit terrible, but I think it might have been me, or what I realized now, definitely in this session, this rifle doesn't want to shoot with a very hot barrel, and the last one I did rush it a little bit. The barrel was too hot, I think, but the rest of the groupings I'm really happy. It's not a custom built precision rifle. It's a vomiting rifle for 150 meters at the most. So like I said, once again, I'm very happy with the groupings. I hope the footage on the target comes out really nice, so I can show you guys how the groupings went. But like I said, I'm happy. I'm going to stick to that load that we've got now. Make sure I keep the barrel clean. I won't let it get that dirty again. And it shoots better. So I'm really glad that I got it to shoot better, because it was a bit of a headache for me. I was on the verge of replacing the barrel, but for now we can still shoot it and yeah, do some vomiting with it and hopefully put some nice videos out for you guys. Alrighty guys, thanks again for joining me. Please leave a comment in the comment section. What do you guys want to see next? Are you happy with the results? What do you think I should do better? If somebody can teach me how to not flinch that much, I'd really appreciate it, because I flinch way too much. But yeah, any suggestions are welcome, guys. Thanks for all the views and the support, because the previous Hornet video got a ton of views and I'm really happy about it. I really appreciate your support. But yeah, please like and subscribe and share if you want to, please. I would really appreciate that to help the channel grow a bit bigger. So guys, thank you so much. Have a good day further and see you next time. Cheers.